Hello, my name is Aaron Kendall, and I'm a business and estate planning attorney at Kendall Law Group. This presentation is designed to provide you with a brief overview of the many relief programs available to businesses that are suffering due to the coronavirus and related government shutdowns. We're going to look at the federal programs, the state of Michigan programs, and the Oakland County programs that are available for business to help them get past this current crisis. So let's get started. Federal programs. There's a multitude of new federal programs designed to help businesses survive. The first one, and what will likely prove to be the most popular due to its very generous terms, is the Paycheck Protection Plan. Now, this protection plan loan is going to be available to companies with 500 employees or less. This also includes sole proprietorships, 501c3 nonprofit charitable companies will also be included. Now, it's designed to cover, like the name suggests, your payroll expenses, but it also covers your rent, mortgage interest, interest on existing debt, and utility payments that you may be facing and currently unable to pay due to the shutdown. There's no collateral or personal guarantees required on this loan, which makes it very attractive in terms of the risk factors in having a loan. And typically the loan will be 2.5 times your average monthly payroll costs. Again, it's designed to allow you to keep your employees on the payroll and get you through these difficult times. Assuming you comply with all the terms of the protection plan, then you might be eligible to have all or some of the loan forgiven and converted into a grant, which means you don't need to repay it. At the very least, there's going to be no payments required on this loan for at least 6 months, and the interest rate is going to be no more than 4%, and the payback period will be around 10 years. Again, it's a very attractive program, and it's probably the one I would recommend to most businesses to apply for at this point. What if you don't fit those requirements or you need more than that? Well, the Small Business Administration now has a disaster loan available. First off, there's an immediate advance when you apply for the loan of $10,000 to immediately tide you over, and then the loan can be up to $2 million. And again, the idea with this is to help you cover your operating losses, cover your current payroll, keep your people employed, cover your utility bills, and related expenses. And then the loan advance of $10,000 would not need to be repaid, but obviously the rest of the loan would be. Again, if you do need more than 2.5 times your current payroll to keep and survive this crisis, this would be the program to apply for. However, for the loan proceeds from the disaster relief loan to fully arrive may take some time, so the Small Business Administration has come up with a bridge loan that in between the $10,000 you receive and while you're waiting for the disaster relief funds to arrive, you can get a bridge loan of up to $25,000. Nice thing is this loan will be folded into your disaster relief loan. So for example, if your disaster relief loan is $125,000, you'll get a $25,000 bridge loan, and then you'd only get $100,000 from your disaster relief loan, as the $25,000 would then be considered paid by that disaster relief loan arriving. You'd still owe the $125,000 though. But this would be a way to get you some funds to continue to function if you need more than the $10,000 and you're still waiting on your disaster relief loan to arrive. Another Small Business Administration program is that of debt relief. If you have current SBA loans, then under this program, the Small Business Administration will pay the principal and interest of the new loans for up to 6 months. And that, again, may help you get through this without having to pay your current Small Business Administration loan for a period of 6 months, and hopefully that's enough time to turn around and function again. Now let's look at the Michigan programs. Michigan has got two main programs. The first one is the Michigan Small Business Relief Program, and that's up to statewide $10 million in grants and $10 million in loans. For these, you have to apply through your local authorized entity. Typically, these are counties or other organizations, and some entities have already used up all of their available funds. So you need to check this out and apply quickly if you're interested in one of these loans. In addition, there's a retooling grant. Now, this is not for everybody. This is designed for companies that want to either convert or ramp up their production lines to produce certain critical medical supplies at this time. For example, masks, ventilators, hospital gowns, things of that sort. This is designed to quickly get those companies the money they need to be able to produce the medical supplies that are currently in very short supply. Obviously, if you're in a position to be able to do that, that is a program you're going to want to look at. For Oakland County, there are two programs, and this is from money that is coming from the $10 million in grants or $10 million in loans that has been created by the state of Michigan. Again, there's two programs. You have to apply by April 6th. If you haven't applied by April 6th, you'll be too late to qualify for these programs. First, there's a small business grant, and that is if you have 50 or fewer employees, you can get up to $10,000 for working capital. This is to support your payroll, rent, mortgage, utility, and other expenses, and you have to show loss of income due to the coronavirus and the shutdown. The alternative, if you need more money than that, or if you have more than 50 employees, is the small business loan. You can get up to $200,000 in the form of a loan. Again, it needs to go to support your payroll expenses, rent, mortgage, utilities, or similar expenses. You have to have 100 or fewer employees for the small business loan, and again, you have to show a loss of income. And I've got the link there for you to apply for those. I hope you found this presentation useful and it helped to steer you in the right direction to find some resources for your business in these difficult times. Hope you stay safe and healthy and your business also stays healthy. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at aaron@kendall-law.com, and I'd be happy to help you if I can. Thank you.